Hello everyone, Max here coming up with the next video. This time we are unboxing something cool from UAShoes. So just like this, you can contact this seller on WhatsApp and get your hands on the Travis Scott Jordans, or some Air Forces, or some other different shoes. So yeah, I definitely recommend you guys checking out the UAShoes, which is the sponsor of today's video and who's sending me the shoes. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the shoes. Let's see how they look like. You have all the links in the description. Be sure to check them out first. So here we got a package. So let's get this thing unboxed now. Let's cut through the foil and let's see. And I'm so happy because the shipping took like only 7 days, basically, maybe like 10. Yeah, something around 10 days. To the place here where I live in Europe, so it was very fast. Honestly, one of the fastest shipping I ever experienced. Yeah, definitely worth it, guys. Definitely. Okay, so in here now we have another box. Let's get this thing opened. As you can see, it's a very high quality standard of packaging. There are no defects whatsoever. Everything comes to you very well prepared and stuff. So yeah, I like it a lot. And here we got it, guys. The US 8.5, 26.5 centimeters, UK 7.5. Air Jordan Low OG SP. We have the code bar and stuff, so yeah, Nike and the swoosh name and the remarks, stripes, so yeah. Everything is in here. Let's take a look at the shoes now. We have just like the original box, everything looks just the same. Air Jordan. Take a look at this and let's unbox it. And just like this, site is www.uashoes.ru. WhatsApp, you have the contact information and the IG. And you can actually use code MAX for $10 off your order. And here we get it, guys. So yeah. The Travis Scott in the dark mocha color. It looks just phenomenal. Have a glance on the shoes. I love them. Let's also take a look at the another pair. So the other pair looks like this, of course. Yeah, it looks just magnificent, honestly. I love it, guys. Alright, so yeah, let's maybe prepare them. Let's try them on. As you can see, you actually get like 2 spare shoelaces. You have the white ones and the red ones even, so that's decent, very nice. Let me just get them laced up and then I will just get back to you in a minute. So here they are, already laced up. As you can see, this is how they look like with laces on. And yeah, first of all, let's take a look at the quality of the shoes. So as you can see, this is made from leather. As you can see, it really just is a leather. It's not like a fake thing. It is a real deal, as you can tell on the picture. And this is some sort of a suede, of course. It really works, as you can see. It's very smooth to the touch and it's very nice. So yeah, quality wise, I have literally no problems whatsoever and complaints about that. It really looks just as it should. Yeah, everything is just leather and a suede, of course. And yeah, the laces are made from really high quality cotton. I have no complaints about that as well. Take a look at the tongue. This is Nike Air, of course. The Travis jack, cactus jack here and the inner parts. You get all the information right over here. On the side, you obviously have the QR code and the sizing information and the code and stuff, so yeah. It really is one-to-one. Inside, on the sole, you have the cactus jack with the Air Jordan jumping. And now the sole, this is how the sole looks like. It's in this dark blue shade, as you can tell. Take a look at all the necessary parts and vital. That's it. Now let's also take a look at the right pair. So yeah, the design is consistent, the materials are also consistent. They look just the same. Nothing is different here. The quality of the leather is just the same. The suede is the same. It's very on a high quality level. You get the Air Jordan logo here on the back. The side of the shoe looks like this. You obviously get this inverted Nike swoosh logo over here. This one also bounces back. The sole, yeah, looks cool, very nice. And here you also get the inverted Travis Scott signature and stuff, so yeah, that's insane. It'll look really nice, just the way it should be. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. As for the quality check and stuff, so yeah, now let's wear them, let's see how they fit. Let's see how they all look like on my feet, so yeah, let's get it. So this is how it all looks like, guys. Take a look at the shoes. In my opinion, they just look amazing. I really like how they do present. Yeah, very nice looking. Now also the back of the shoes. And the right side looks like this. So yeah, these are the Travis Scott Low in the dark in the mocha color. Okay, so that is pretty much it as for today's video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. I will answer you for sure. And stay tuned for more content like this where I present you guys very, very high quality Nikes or some other brands of shoes and stuff. And if you are just interested in fashion in general, and if you want to find some great items, you have this spreadsheet down in the description as well. Be sure to check this thing out. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye, guys.